In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant error code VAN84. Open your web browser and search for Valorant status. Click on game service status from the results. Choose your language, then continue. Check if the Valorant servers are down in your region. If servers are down, you'll need to wait for Riot Games to fix the issue. If it also doesn't help, open your web browser and search for a speed test. Use the Google's built-in speed test or Ooklas speed test. If your internet speed is slow or unstable, contact your internet service provider. Try restarting your modem or router to improve the connection. The next step is to a simple restart. A restart can fix temporary connection problems. Restart your PC and launch Valorant again. If it also doesn't help, you have to flush DNS cache. Open the start menu and type cmd. Right-click on command prompt and select run as administrator. Type the following command and press enter. ipconfig /flush DNS. After the process is complete, type exit and press enter. Restart Valorant and check if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, open Device Manager, locate Network Adapter. Right-click on your network adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Then restart your PC and launch Valorant again. If it also doesn't help, right-click on the network icon in the taskbar. Open Network and Internet Settings. Select Change Adapter Options. Right-click on your active network and select Properties. Select IPv4 and click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter Google DNS. Preferred 8.8.8.8, alternative 8.8.4.4. For Cloudflare DNS server, in preferred, type 1.1.1.1 and in alternative section, type 1.0.0.1. Click OK, then restart your PC. If it also doesn't help, then you have to do firewall settings. Open the Start menu and search for Firewall and Network Protection. Click Allow an app through Firewall. Click Change Settings, then allow another app, then Browse. Navigate to your Valorant directory. Select Valorant-Win64-shipping.exe. Click Open, then click Add. Find Valorant in the list and check private and public boxes. Repeat the process for Riot Client Services.exe, which you found in Riot Client directory. Click OK, then restart your PC. If it also doesn't help, then you have to repair Valorant game files. Open the Riot Client, click on your profile in the top right corner, go to Settings, then select Valorant. Click Repair to verify and fix game files. Restart Valorant and check if the issue is resolved. If you are still facing the issue, try using a VPN. Connect to a different region and check if the Valorant works. If it also doesn't work, then I will highly recommend you to uninstall both Valorant and Riot Client, then restart your PC. Download and install Valorant from official Riot Client website. Launch the game and check if the issue is fixed. If it also doesn't help, then visit the Riot support website and submit a ticket for further assistance. So that's it for today. These steps should fix help Valorant error code VAN84. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.